What is up, beautiful people? Just woke up. I didn't hit a new low weigh-in, unfortunately. I think my weigh-in was about 243 pounds, which is fine. It's okay, fluctuations in fluid levels and hormone levels, just kind of like affect your weigh-in, digestion problems, proper cardio also. Plus, I didn't do cardio last night, so that could also be one of the reasons why I didn't hit another weigh-in, which is fine because it was just a pound difference. Plus, I just did about an hour of cardio this morning, fasted, of course, just to balance out the cardio I didn't do yesterday. And I'm also gonna hit another session of cardio, probably about 30 minutes after my workout tonight. So that's also good. So I was just gonna say, do not let, let's sit down a little bit. Don't let a bad low weigh-in just affect your day. It's just a scale. Those are just numbers. Numbers are always changing, so don't worry about that. Just keep doing what you're doing, keep working out, keep eating clean, and it's all gonna work out eventually. As long as you know you're doing the right thing, as long as you know you're getting your meals in, you're working out properly, you'll be just fine, okay? So don't stress, don't stress. I'm about to eat some protein pancakes for breakfast and some eggs, and I'm gonna get on my day. I'll see you guys in a bit. Oh, I also wanted to show you guys something really quick. I don't know if you guys do this, but me personally, this is how I track my weight over the past a year and a half, 2 years. I've done some shredding, nothing too dramatic, just some weight, to monitor how my body works and how fast I drop weight with changing my carbs up or my fats and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit. So I usually record my weight, and this is going on like months and months of recording. See here, always record it, always record it. This is the easiest way for me to track it. And this is like the, I mean, like you could do it however you want to, but I prefer to record that my weight. So just every morning I take a weigh-in, I write it down, and then the next day I see, and then week after week you can see the weight fluctuations and you know what to adjust, and that's the best way to track your weight. Or you could just record it online. I like to do it manually. I think there's an app that you can record your weights, or in your notes or in your phone or whatever. But for me, my scale is right next to it, so as soon as I check my weight that morning, I just record it. That's just how I do my stuff. That being said, I'm gonna eat. I'm so hungry. Alright, I have a pancake maker at home, and I just mix up my oatmeal, banana, like 40 grams of banana, 1 strawberry, some cinnamon powder. What else do I put in there? And peanut butter for the slightly darkened color. Some peanut butter, and that's it. Everything amounts to about 62 grams of carbs for just the protein pancakes. Wow. Okay, and that's the finished product for the protein pancakes. I usually flip them once and just get an even brownness of each side. Go, there's the protein pancakes and some egg whites here and some onions, tomatoes, bell peppers, eggs. I like to make it a little differently sometimes, just to get, different taste. Same amount of eggs, about a cup of egg whites, and altogether about 5 whole eggs right there. I'm gonna enjoy this. I'll see you guys.
Hi, can I get 2 spicy chicken sandwiches? the meal or just a sandwich?
Just a sandwich.
You want the deluxe or the regular ones?
The regular ones.
Two of them?
Two of them and 2 cookies.
2 cookies?
Yeah.
Anything else, sir?
How much is this so far? How much is it so far?
$9.63.
All right.
Oh, any sauce for the Chick-fil-A sandwiches?
Chick-fil-A sauce. 2 of them.
Anything else, sir?
No, that'll be it.
Can I have your name?
Charlie.
Excuse me?
Charlie. I had a fry. I had a medium fry. Everybody chose one day to come get some Chick-fil-A. Crazy. The line is ridiculously long.
Welcome to my boy Charlie's channel. We're about to show y'all how to get to work in.
What up? Okay, last meal of the day. I ate twice, usually on my low carb days, because they're slightly big meals or high volume meals. So I kind of just space it out, you know, twice a day, one shake in between, and it's been working for me so far. So if it ain't broke, why change it? Why switch it? Anyway, I'm gonna be having a full pack of salad. This is premium romaine salad and fat-free Italian dressing. Just a little drizzle, you know, to give it some flavor. I'm gonna have that and about 8 ounces of chicken breast, and I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna enjoy this, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Oh, if I forget, quick macros. 15 calories, 0 calories from fat. There are about 3 cups or 85 grams, 7 per container is 3 carbs, 1 protein. So basically you're getting 9 carbs, 3 protein, and about 3 grams of dietary fiber. Anyway, I'm just gonna enjoy that because I've pretty much exhausted all my calories for the day, and I don't want to add a little bit of a snack in between. You know, when people actually try to do full day of eating type of vlogs, you don't see everything that goes on behind the scenes. Like, you have cravings in between workouts or before you work out, and you just kind of like open your pantry and you see something that's probably like low in carbs, but they all accumulate, you know, to a pretty high carb meal. So I just kind of like just see some almonds and I just eat it. See some rice cakes and I just eat it because I'm usually hungry. They're not really high in carbs, but when you start adding them up, they get pretty high. So I calculated them. I usually try to estimate higher than it is because that's the best way to do it. And you know, you're still at a deficit if you estimate high than when you estimate a low carb and you're actually higher than what you estimated. So I think you get my point. Anyway, I'm gonna eat that and about maybe like 3 ounces of rice because I still have about another 20 grams of carbs left. I'm gonna eat that with 8 ounce chicken and that salad, and I'm just gonna edit this video and go to bed. I am tired. I'll see you guys. Peeps. Half of my chicken breast is in a salad and the rest of it is in a basmati rice. This will be this is the aftermath. 2 bottles of water.